Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, Airtable Action Automation for workflows in your account. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Click on Install and choose the account where you want to install in. Then you click on Continue and you click on Allow and Install. And you're going to have this page where you're going to copy the custom menu link, head back to your account, navigate to Settings, and click on Custom Menu Links. Click on New, give an icon, give it a title, paste the link here, give it a sidebar preference, and choose an account. And you give it a role-based visibility, which here in our case will be all. Then you click on Save. Once you're done creating your custom menu link, switch to the account where you added it and you look for the custom menu link and you click on it. Then the first interface of the app is going to pop up. You click on the button Connect and the second interface is going to pop up where you have all the necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to get started with Airtable is in here. You have the Smart Queue tutorial and the configuration walkthrough video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. Here we have the app set up. Let's walk you through how to set up and connect your app. You copy the redirect URL and head to the account which you created online. Click on your profile. Click on Builder Space. Say yes. Then click on Auth Integration and register new Auth Integration. You give it a name and you paste the redirect URL which we copied here. Then you click on Save Integration and scroll down and toggle on all the scopes. You toggle on the scopes of base, schema, and user data. Then you scroll down at the bottom and insert your support email. Then you click on Save Changes. You head over to the customer ID. Copy the customer ID, head to the account, and click on Start Setup. Then you paste it here. You generate the secret key. Click on Copy. Then you click on Finish, and you paste. Then click on Complete Setup. You can go back and check if you've toggled on all the scopes. Yes, and you're good to go. Then you head over to this page. Click on Add All Resources and grant access. Your app will be successfully set up and connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and as well book a call for our support team. And we have the change log here to track all updates and improvements to the Airtable app. And to receive emails, toggle on the email notification. You insert your email and click on the subscribe button. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.